What is up, you beautiful people, and welcome back. So, till now we have seen Ford, Nissan, and everything. Now, it's time for Subaru. Yeah, Subaru. Yep, Subaru hasn't been behind of the electric vehicles. It's also come up its own electric vehicles. Oh yeah, here we have. That's a Subaru Electric. It's over there. It's on the streets. Let me show you the clear look. Let's go. Here, this is a Subaru Electric. That's the front. It's a Subaru Solterra EV. Alright, it's a prototype vehicle. You guys can see over there. That's the interior. Okay, it's an adventure vehicle. So we even have a roof for this. Alright, it's got a good boot space. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Subaru is creating some good time over here. It's snow and snowing. They have created an indoor snow. Wow. Subaru EV is next level. You guys can see this. It's a prototype vehicle, not the first one or the first model. I think it's just for to show up public that they are coming up with the electric vehicle. So yeah, this looks sleek and neat. I love this vehicle. Yeah, I love all the EVs. You know me, I'm an EV person. I'm a motorhead too, but petrolhead too or dieselhead, whatever you can say. But I love EVs too. Yeah, it's a prototype vehicle, and yeah, Subaru has just come up with one vehicle model. Okay, so this is the name, Solterra, Subaru Solterra. It's an all-electric. So let's see in future how it's gonna turn out, how it's gonna be produced. About that, let's see, boys. Alright, so that was about Subaru.